Big news for Galaxy fans, and it's a bit of a roller coaster. Recent leaks about the Galaxy S26 Ultra left many disappointed. No fast charging boost, but hold on, because today brings a twist. A trusted insider claims Samsung is secretly preparing major display upgrades, and this could be the spark that changes everything. The tip comes from well-known leaker Ice Universe, who says the Galaxy S26 Ultra will feature a next-level display, while exact details remain under wraps. They hinted that Samsung's signature display technology will be at the heart of it. This suggests the S26 Ultra could offer something never seen before in a Galaxy flagship. But what kind of display innovation are we talking about here? Rumors point to a dramatic shift to color filter on encapsulation OLED panel. Instead of relying on the traditional polarizer layer, Samsung may swap it with a color filter and even introduce a black pixel definition layer. The result? A thinner display that shines brighter, saves battery, and looks futuristic. That's the kind of leap fans have been waiting for, but Samsung isn't stopping there. Alongside the new panel tech, Samsung is also working on shrinking the bezels even more. On top of that, the S26 Ultra may offer improved outdoor visibility thanks to advanced anti-reflective coatings. And then comes something even bigger: the company's new Flex Magic Pixel OLED. This display could use AI to control pixels dynamically, giving privacy-focused viewing angles. But how would this actually help users? Imagine scrolling your phone in public without worrying about people peeking over your shoulder. AI-controlled pixels could make your screen visible only to you, blocking off unwanted eyes. That's futuristic privacy built directly into the display. Ice Universe hasn't confirmed if all these upgrades are coming at once. But one thing is clear: the Galaxy S26 Ultra's display could be its biggest selling point. While the display rumors are raising excitement, Samsung isn't planning to upgrade the 50MP5X telephoto camera. This is the exact same sensor from the Galaxy S to 5 Ultra and even from the S to 4 Ultra. Shockingly, insiders claim it will stick around all the way through the S27 Ultra. 3 years with the same zoom lens? That's hard to ignore. And it doesn't stop there. The Ultra may also reuse its 200MP main sensor, the same one that's been around since the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Fans expected more evolution at this stage. So while the display could feel brand new, the real question is, will a breakthrough screen be enough to balance this? Just as this debate heats up, Samsung's design leaks have added another layer of buzz. Fresh renders of the Galaxy S26 Pro, S26 Ultra, and S26 Edge have surfaced online. Courtesy of Smart Pre, these new images show bold changes that could split opinions. The Pro model, which may replace the standard S26, keeps a familiar shape. In its place, a chunky block sticks out at the back. Some fans might love the bolder look, while others will miss the sleek, streamlined feel of previous models. The Ultra also gets this raised block, but with refined details, while the flash slots neatly in between, subtle, yet bold. The Galaxy S26 Ultra also adopts more rounded corners, making it look modern while still keeping Samsung's signature design language. But the real surprise may come with the Galaxy S26 Edge. This model reportedly takes the raised camera concept even further. The block could stretch to nearly a third of the back glass, sparking speculation that Samsung may be borrowing a page from Apple's playbook. Of course, it's not just about design. Under the hood, the S26 lineup is expected to run on the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 chip, delivering more power than its already impressive predecessor. The leaks also suggest Samsung may bring back Exynos processors in select regions, similar to the approach used with the Galaxy Z Flip 7. This move could divide opinions depending on where you live. The base Galaxy S26 could keep its current setup, but add a sensor design to capture more light, improving overall image quality. Meanwhile, the S26 Ultra may push things further, with whispers of a 200MP zoom camera offering 5x magnification, paired with a 50MP telephoto lens. If true, this could balance out some of the disappointment. At the end of the day, the Galaxy S26 series looks bold, ambitious, and possibly game-changing. From futuristic display tech to dramatic design changes and powerful hardware, Samsung seems ready to take risks, but with cameras that may feel too familiar. The big question remains: will fans embrace the upgrades or demand more? Share your thoughts in the comments, and let's see if Samsung truly delivers.